Welcome back to another Fins to Feathers. This week we're on a hot rod adventure to a nearby town to acquire a flathead 6-cylinder motor for one of the projects we have sitting around the shop, a 1950 Ford shoebox that'll be coming down the line soon. Jonathan was on Facebook Marketplace and came across a guy who was doing a flathead V8 swap in his shoebox project. And rather than go through months of machine work and going back and forth to the machine shop, we figured we would take the shortcut and get this guy's already built and running motor that will just swap right into place. Now that video was from a couple years back. We had the motor running as you saw, but we decided to change the head gasket. And that is where we ran into problems. We broke a couple of bolts off inside the block. After days of wrestling with it, things got really ugly and we decided to turn our attention from that to one of our many other projects we had going on. The shoebox ended up sitting on ice for a while, but it's becoming time to unearth it again and get it back on the road. Now here is the car that the engine will be going in, and also a shot of the engine itself. And the seller Brian was gracious enough to let me get some shots of his setup and shop and project. He's got a really cool shoebox that's going to be hitting the street soon, and he's doing a flathead V8 swap in that, an H&H build by Mike Herman. So shout out to him for keeping it pretty traditional. That's great stuff. We hope you guys enjoy the ride as much as we did. Stay tuned for some more videos coming around the first of the year of this shoebox build. It should turn out to be a pretty cool car.